Hi, I'm Alan Brom. I'm the operations manager and part owner at Brom's Lullaby Sod Farm here in Pennsylvania. So the Vulcan is what we use for maintaining our grass. It spreads it out nice and leaves a nice finish that makes our fields look professional. One of the most important things for us mowing is getting an even spread of the clippings, and the Trimax does a very good job at spreading them out across the turf so that they can decompose. And then the size of it too makes some good time out in the field. The older Tridex, they were had a lot of troubles, and we can do about twice as much with this Vulcan as we can with the older stuff. Vulcan was by far the best one out there. One thing I like about the Vulcan, over my past experiences with the older models of other brands, are the flat-free tires is one really nice thing about it. And the mower blade tips, they make a really quick blade change and effortless because you don't have to sharpen every day. And the belts are self-tensioning, so they require very little maintenance. And then the grease points are all easily accessible, and they use nylon bushings, which helps with longevity of being able to replace them down the road, and they just last longer to begin with. When I look at the Vulcan compared to our older model mowers, the steel's a lot thicker and bigger gauge than what you would see on the competition. The Trimax is never broken down for us. So one thing that we like about the Vulcan is it folds up real narrow, and it's easy to transport behind a tractor or a pickup truck. They were very good about coming out for a demo, and when they came out for the demo, they really sold us on the piece. And then when we ended up ordering the Trimax mowers, they both came in less than a week. I would say that going with the Trimax, it's an experience like nothing else, because their ability to service and support you, with your local salesman is second to none. So my sales rep, he's very good. He answers his phone and can help me out with anything on the spot. And they can get parts to you quick. I would recommend the Trimax products to any sod farm that is not running them at this time.